know that I'm recording. Making weird noises.
No.
Are you? Wait, I should do it this way so that Vloggy can see you. You're not a Vloggy camera. I wish you were a Vloggy camera. What's up, nerds? I'm gonna fall.
Don't follow me.
I'm gonna fall. Ah.
Vlogging's weird.
Vlogging's weird.
Vlogging's weird.
Wait, what are you saying?
Yeah, like the whole concept of it where it's like you just point a camera at your face and then you like talk to it and you're like, what's up guys? Like, here's our new video. We're gonna do this cool thing and I'm like gonna hype you up about my life, but in reality it's like they're just two dudes like BSing in a garage about like some dumb shit car stuff, and for some reason people like to watch it. It's true.
Yeah,
It's true.
you like to see stupid shit.
Anyway, what we're doing today is we are doing hood risers. We're doing nothing because I'm lazy and this video is going to be lazy. No, we're putting hood risers up because we're lazy and I don't really want to do any serious work this weekend. So we're going to do the lazy path and make an easy video for you guys. So the Miata's getting hood risers. Why? Simple reason, to vent some of the heat out of the engine bay so we can stay on track longer, hopefully, or at least that's the idea. While I'm at it, might as well throw my lip back on. To do the hood risers real quick on a Miata, because they have studs and you can't use like sleeves like Honda boys can, you got to get some of these little tube nuts and they're threaded all the way through. They're M8 by 1.25. Links down in the description where you can also subscribe and comment.
Like them Honda boys.
Like them Honda boys.
Like them Honda boys.
There's a Honda boy, right?
I've owned one Honda. I've rebuilt one Honda. I'm a Honda boy.
Honda boy.
Honda lover at heart. You're gonna need 4
Honda
M8.
motors are pretty great.
Shh, quiet. You're gonna need 4 M8 by 1.25 by 12 millimeter bolts. You can get those at Home Depot. And you're gonna need lock washers and regular washers to finish it out. Pretty straightforward. We're gonna come over here. We're gonna remove these 2 bolts. I'm gonna clean my threads because they're gross and rusty and crusty and gross and gunky, and don't I love you? You're in my life.
Oh.
Coming here, we're gonna take those 2 boys right there. We're gonna pull them off of the hood with our fancy dancy new tools or whatever, and we're gonna slip those sleeves in and bolts on. And that's really all there is to this. This is the laziest thing I've ever done.
No idea what to say because right now I have absolutely nothing. Like 345 horse. It's an 03 4.4 liter.
What?
Takes bolts off.
Ryan Little.
So strong. Oh, you win.
Okay, what's up? It's later day in the future. I don't remember if I showed you guys this. I was planning on just like scrapping the video altogether, but I'm just gonna fess up. I'm not certain if I 100% like this raised hood look, but also the car's not finished yet in terms of like the car's not finished yet in terms of like exterior modifications, because I do want to put like a body kit on this. And I kind of want to do some sort of like hood venting and a few other things to like make it look a little bit more aggressive. So to kind of like compensate for the moment, because like I don't even have my front lip on there at the moment,
We are gonna go ahead and throw my front lip back on, which is why I've jacked up the car already. I've just been staring at this for a few days. So like here's kind of what it looks like from the side, and like it looks okay. It's not bad.
but like I'm just not sure if I like it or not. So leave me a comment down below and let me know how you guys feel about it. But while I just kind of look at it and decide and think about whether or not I want to actually keep it like that, I'm gonna go ahead and throw on my front lip and go ahead and put the car back down so we can kind of see it all back together like from the front end and like see what it looked like before, because the front lip got ripped off at the drift event and I just took it off because it was easier than like trying to fix it every 5 seconds. So this time I'm gonna actually just attach it with like 5 or 6 zip ties hopefully, and so this time if I smack it into anything, it'll just hopefully just like rip the zip ties off, and not a big deal. Like I'll just reattach it next time I get home after the next event or whatever. So no biggie. I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. Shouldn't take me very long. I'll show you what that looks like after the car goes back down. I also have a rear lip that I might throw on too. I'll show you guys that. I do have a bumper cut. You guys probably already know that. So we'll have to modify the rear lip to fit, because it's like the OEM R-type lip that you can get from MIATA's or eBay R-type lip, because it's really what it is. And I tried to sell it for a little bit, but nobody bought it, so whatever. Bought it ages ago to put on, never did, so because I cut my bumper. So we'll make it work and see how it looks all together and see if I like it any better that way. It might help it a little bit, might not. Yeah, so I'll get back to you when that's done.
Okay, so here's what she looks like with the front lip on and the raised hood. I personally think this looks a little bit better. I'm not gonna say amazingly better, because like I still don't know, but
I think it looks a lot better with the front lip on than it did without the front lip on. It just makes the car look a little bit more aggressive to pull off that little bit of popped hood. I had the lip sitting underneath the car, like the front of the bumper, to kind of just see how it would look with the lip on it and the raised hood, and it just never quite pulled off the same effect. But with the lip actually attached to the car, it doesn't look that bad. I don't necessarily love it. I don't hate it. If it's functional and I see lower temps, I might just keep it, just because it's worth it for the little bit of extra, like, you know, if I go to another event where they do hot lapping style, it would just be worth it to be able to be out on track for a little bit longer, if it keeps my engine just a little bit cooler. So it'd be worth it to me. Aside from that, I think that's going to be it for this video. I'm not going to throw the rear lip on today. It's raining pretty good outside right now, and I don't feel like opening the garage door to crawl underneath the car back there, because that doesn't sound like fun getting all wet. So that's probably going to be it for today. Hope you guys all had a happy and safe New Year's. Thanks for watching. Click that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think about this this little hood raising extravaganza. I know I probably didn't show a lot of it. It's pretty straightforward. They're basically just coupling nuts that you thread onto the studs, and then thread a bolt through the bottom side of the hinge and into it, and it'll lift your hood up about an inch or however big the coupling nut you buy is. I probably wouldn't go any bigger than an inch, because it'll look just silly at that point and totally ruin like your hood line up against your bumper. It's not absolutely horrible now, but yeah, like I said, we'll think about it. We'll take it off if I don't like it. It's a reversible mod, no big deal. That's gonna be it for today. Like, comment, subscribe. I hope you guys all had a happy and safe New Year's. Welcome to 2019, guys. We'll see you guys next week.